Hey, what's up guys, Fahazman here. Today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account on ACY Securities. ACY is an online fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through forex, precious metals, indices, commodities, shares CFDs and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature Standard, Pro Zero and Bespoke. You can select from MT4 accounts that have spreads from 0.0 pip and commissions from $3 lot per side, or take advantage of variable spreads and no commissions on MT5 accounts. Live and demo accounts are supported on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are available on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. If you ever require any assistance while on their website, you can click on support button at the bottom right of the home page. Submit your message and a support representative will then get back to you. So today I am going to show you how to open a demo account on ACY Securities. Firstly, head over to their website at acy.com, or the link to this website is available in the video description. On their home screen, you will see Start Trading and Try Demo Account. Click on Try Our Demo Account. Next, fill out and submit your personal information such as your name, email address, preferred platform, currency and your mobile phone number. After you have submitted your information, you will be redirected to a page that displays your login information. What you will need to do next is scroll down and then download and install MetaTrader 4. Once you have downloaded and installed MetaTrader 4, log in with the information that was displayed on the page prior, and we are in the ACY demo account on MetaTrader 4 for Windows. In the center of the dashboard, here we can see our main chart windows. You can change your chart types here from either a candlestick, bar or line charts. You can zoom in and zoom out of the selected chart window. If you wish to open a selected chart window into a full screen window, all you will need to do is simply click on the full screen button. On the top left of the selected window, here we can see our quick buy and sell order execution. This is where you can make quick buy and sell orders on the selected trading instrument straight from the chart window. On the left side of the dashboard here, we can see our market watch, which displays all the trading instruments that ACY provides. This market watch is displaying forex currency pairs. If you wish to open an individual buy and sell order window for a preferred currency pair, all you will need to do is simply right click on your preferred pair and click on new order. This will then open an individual buy and sell order window, which displays some additional information and its online chart. If you wish to add a preferred currency pair into its own chart window, simply right click on your preferred pair and click on chart window. This will then add the selected currency pair into its own chart window in the center of the dashboard. Here at the bottom of the dashboard, here we can see all the currency pairs that we have added into our main chart windows. You can easily switch between these currency pairs from right here. And from here, you can see your trade, exposure and account history. If you ever require any assistance while using MetaTrader 4, you can click on the help section. This will then display a few video tutorials and a help center which covers various aspects of platform functionality to help you get started. ACY Securities also provide their very own educational portal, which includes a variety of educational trading topics such as market analysis, webinars. You can join daily trading news, forex, ebooks and economic calendar and more. And if you open the accounts from the link in the video description, you will get the special webinars. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.